How to fix Steam WebHelper not responding. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can fix if your Steam's WebHelper is not responding. Let's get started. First thing first, what you need to do is, if you have your Steam open, just close it down and right-click on your taskbar. You'll find Task Manager over here, so open it up. Once your Task Manager opens up, you should find the Steam Web Helper running in the background. If you don't see it, just keep your Steam open and I'll just head over here, go to Task Manager, and you'll find the Steam Client Web Helper. Right click on it and then click on End Task. Once you have done that, it will completely close out Steam. Then the next step is to close out your Task Manager. From there, you need to go ahead and search for Steam on your search bar. Go to Open File Location. Again, right-click on the shortcut, and then you'll find an option to go to Open File Location. And finally, you'll find the exe file here. Right-click on it, go to Properties, and then from here, go to the Compatibility tab. Make sure that you've run this program on compatibility mode, which allows it to run on lower version of Windows as well. And then make sure you run this program as administrator. Click on Apply, and then OK. Once you have done that, just close it everything out and give your PC a quick restart. Click on Restart here, and you'll be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. If this was helpful to you, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.